araw. At least may araw. Pero yan, malamig. Tapos may dala pa akong puff jacket. So yun guys. 1 hour daw kalayo.
Just the lady shop tickets.
Yeah.
We hear my
Good luck, boys.
I'm going out. Say like the door.
Knock.
Say mom, probably.
Hello, you siya. Dito lang ako sa loob ng car kasi hindi pa naman nag-start yung mga bata. Nagtitraining sila. Malayo din nyo rin naman makita kasi hindi pa tayo bumababa. And si John tsaka si Holly umalis. Pumunta sa malayo din nandoon. Hindi nyo makikita. Nandoon sila sa kabila. Nandoon sila. Naghahanap ng toilet si John. So nandoon yung mag-ama and yung mga boys nandoon sila sa nandoon. Diyan nagtitrain sila. Nag-meeting pa pala muna. Doon sila. Pakita ko sa inyo yung dala nating baon. So, meron ako nitong Lavush Original Bites na crackers. And yung tira kong yung sea salt with olive na crackers din. And wala na to yung wafer. 3 na lang. And eto naman yung chunky style tuna in olive oil. Kahapon 'di ba parang spring water yung tuna natin. Corn. Dala natin corn. And nandito yung goat cheese. Goat cheese lang yung dala natin kasi naubos ko na yung apricot. Cream cheese. And meron din akong dalang Berry Glow. And pistachios. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Yung aking protein bar. Plano ko sana dadaling ko yung aking pusit na linuto kagabi. Kaso sabi ko baka naman mangitim ang aking ipin. Kaya hindi ko na lang siya dinala. May rice na ako dun ready. Yung rice na kasi nagluto ako kagabi, diba? So sabi ko eto na lang. Tapos nandito rin sila Kylie. Katabi natin. So, baka maamoy tayo. Amoy suka. Kasi malakas yung amoy ng suka nung aking adobong pusit. And also, yung aking ina-upload guys. Nasa ano pa lang siya. Matagal-tagal 81%. Di ko alam kung makikita nyo. 81%. Kagabi pa to. Nakalagay 81%, 2 hours and 42 minutes left. Tagal naman ng ating pag-upload. This time, try ko ulit siya. Refresh. Kasi hindi siya gumagalaw. Kanina pa to sabay 81. Nandito tayo guys sa out of nowhere to. Malayo-layo to. 1 hour away from our home. Kaya not sure kung ma-upload natin. May signal ba tayo? May signal naman ako sa phone. Ayan. And si Sak, after ng game, waterboy ang ating Saki boy. Waterboy po siya. So, maghapon tayo dito. Sana wag lang umulan kasi malamig na. Wag na sana sabay ng ulan tsaka hangin. So far, hindi siya humahangin. Kung makikita yung mga puno, hindi sila gumagalaw at the moment. So, yun guys. Pero, yeah, may panlaban tayo sa lamig. Pero mas maganda pa rin kung wag sanang umulan. Mount Bert tayo ngayon. Para ditong ano guys, laging winter. Itong areang to. Para tong Geelong. Kasi kung may nanonood tayo sa Geelong, diba dyan sa Geelong Victoria, parang laging winter dyan sa inyo. Ang lamig lagi. So ayan, gumagalaw, naging 82%, 2 hours and 42 minutes left. And dala ko yung aking phone kung saan ako nanonood ng Queen of Tears. Nakakaiyak siya guys kung hindi nyo pa napapanoorin nyo. At kung napanood nyo na, naiiyak din ba kayo? Sumasakit din ba yung inyong dibdib? Nanggigigal din ba kayo? So sige, mag-ano muna tayo dito. Manood habang hindi pa nag-start yung mga bata. Then, 83. Medyo mabilis. 83. And also, mag-edit din ako. Hindi ko lang nga nadala yung aking, AirPods. Pero okay na yan. Okay, guys. Nanood muna tayo ng Queen of Tears. Hi, Auntie Mel! You made it, but just you?
Yeah.
Where's Uncle Jay? Working?
Yeah, I got cold.
Oh, I like your jumper.
Thanks.
No. I like the color to Auntie Mel.
Yeah, Maxi Max. Look.
Oh my God!
I just want to go and watch potato.
Oh, nag-start na guys. Ka-start lang. Layo natin. Nandito tayo sa ang lamig.
Tim.
Labas tayo. Suot na natin yung ating puffer jacket. Ang lamig. Dito si Auntie Mel, si Joanne, Kylie.
Go Zachary.
Oh, go Zach.
Where is he?
Oh, he's got it again.
Go. Ang pangit lang ng audio nitong phone. Ayan. Number 32, Zachary is? Or 36?
36.
36. Ayan siya. Gusto niya laging sa middle. He always wants in the middle.
Mm.
Kasi nakaka, ano, yeah. Kasi gusto ni Zach lagi yung ball. No, he's the one passing to everyone.
Here he goes.
Go, Zach.
Good shepherd.
Oh my God. Si Kuya yon. Ayan si
Oh.
Kuya. Go.
That's 2 good marks.
Kuya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan, number 2 si Kuya. Go.
Go, I run again, Tate. That's it.
That's it. Go. Oh, go.
Where's my dad?
Down here.
Si Jan pala, umpire.
Goal umpire. Where's
Goal umpire
Where's
si
his
Jan.
white jacket? Where's his white nugget jacket?
Ayan siya.
It was the size of this,
Yeah.
and I finished.
Yeah. Gutom yan.
I can't finish it. Can you finish it for me, please?
Oh
Mom?
my,
It's
that's not-
very good.
That's very good. Ito na natira. Okay. Ando na si Auntie Mel with Kylie. Go. Wala si Zach. Go, Zach. Saan si Kuya? Ninagay ko yung hoodie kasi ang lamig sa tainga.
To the doctor. Martin.
Andun si Jan, oh. Mag-start na yung second quarter. Si Kuya ba yan? Yes. Is it Kuya? Yeah, si Kuya yan. Yep, number 2, Kuya. Go, Kuya! Good job, Kuya! Good mark! Go! Sak! Oh! Oh. Come on. Go, Grace. Oh. Go, Saki. Go, Kuya. Oh. Go, Kuya. Kick. Oh, shit. Go, kick. Come on. Yes, goal. Ayun si Jan. Go, Kuya. Kick. Go, kick. Go, Zach. Go. Go, Kuya. Yes. Goal na yan. Go, Zach. Go, Kuya. Good job, Kuya. Go. Keep going. Oh, good job. Come on. Pass. Watch out. Go. Oh, go, Kuya. Oh. Go, Kuya. Magkikik si Kuya sana maka-goal. Yes! Good job, Kuya. Ka-goal na ang Kuya natin. Good job, yeah. At ayan si Jan. Go, kuya! Good job, kuya! Kuya! Go, kuya! Go, yeah. Third quarter na guys. Winning tayo. At the moment. Tawang standby dun si Sake. Nandito kasi yung action. Oh. Go, kuya! Go, yeah, go! Oh. Nandito na. Go, Sak! Sak, go! Go! Good job, Sak! Nilambitin na ni Sak. Point lang, nakapoint yung kabila. Go, Sak! Go, kick! Go! Where's Kuya? Go, Kuya! Ayan si Kuya. Go, yeah! Get in there, yeah. Sige. Go. Pass it. Oh. Go, Kuya! Yes! That was TJ, right? Good job, Kuya. Ang daming goal ngayon ni Kuya. Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Pass it. Oh. Okay, good job, Sak. Go, Sak. Oh. Go, Sak. Go. Go, Saki. Huwag mo dali. Go, Jag. Go. Jag. Go, Sak. Good job, Sak. Lumili pa ng Saki boy natin. Good kick, Saki. Where are you, Oli? Oh! Go! Go! Oh, Jaga. Shit. Oh my God. Go. Go get in there. Oh, someone's hurt. Is he alright? Go, Zach. Good job. Oh, no. Go, Kuya. Go. Kick it. Dali, go. Yes, nakagol tayo. Ayan si Jan. Tapos na yung third quarter. Where's Sak? On the other side? Oh my God. Sak will be bored. Go, Sak! Good job, Sak. See? That's my Saki boy.
Oh, hell, they are in nosebleed.
Girl. Go. Andito si Kuya sa kabila naman. Dito yung goal nila. Good job, Kuya! Yeah, Kuya's been doing well. Go,
Did he
Kuya.
kick 3 goals?
I think so, yeah.
He's
3
had
goals.
about 8 or 9 marks. Oh, so
Yeah.
you're not going to be able to kick it from there, mate.
That's right. That's too far, yeah. Ang layo niyan, oh.
That's 50 metres out, buddy.
Well, actually,
Someone lead for him.
come on.
Oh,
You never know, Auntie Mel. Oh, almost. Ang layo nun. 1 point. Dito na yung girls. Galing yan sa playground with Sophie.
where you been?
Go, Kuya! Go, kick it. Go, Kuya. Kick it to Kuya. Go, Kuya. Go. Dito yung mga girls. Holly, do you have money? How much daddy gave you? $3. Okay, enjoy. Yung pinakamaliit oh. Meron si Auntie Mel na. What soup is the Auntie Mel? Pumpkin soup and hot dog. Kasi ang sarap ng hot dog. Kanina kumain si Holly. Go, Kuya. Oh, good job, Kuya. Good job, Kuya. Good job. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on. Oh, yes. Go. Go back. Go, go. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Yeah. Why is that gonna hurt you, Auntie Mel?
No.
Oh, no.
Right.
Tapos na. Yeah, tapos ayan na si John. Dala niya yung flags. Yung pang wasiwas niya. Panalo tayo. The score is? What's the score, Auntie Mel? 104?
No.
54.
3, 4, 22 to 10, 4, 54.
Okay, 10 goals tayo. So, equivalent of 54. May points din tayong 4. Tapos yung kabila is 3 goals. May 4 points sila. Then, 22 total nila. Sa atin, 54 total. O, diba? Hindi nyo nakikita. Ayun, yan. Yan yung score. 10 goals. 4 points. 54 total sa atin. Yung kabila, 3 goals. 4 points. 22 total sa kanila. Si Kuya amazing today.
Well done, mate.
Kuya,
That's awesome. You did so well.
best player. Huh?
5 goals.
Say it, Auntie Mel. Best player si Kuya. Oh, shock.
Did you hear me going?
No, Auntie Mel been yelling.
So the first one I missed, I ran just it off someone, then kicked it, landed on the line,
I
went
know.
sideways, and then here.
Yeah.
Go, Kobe.
Kobe. Oh.
Come on, Kobe.
Ayan si Zach. How did you go, Zach?
Yes, I'm better.
Got best player?
Best player as well.
What'd you get?
What you get?
Well done.
What's that?
Oh, $10 for
10.
five. That'll buy me a
Ah,
coffee.
tied. $10. We can go there. $10. How about you? Yeah, you got one. Nothing. Why? You said you're best player. Yeah, I know. TJ, why TJ didn't get?
Not everyone gets
Not every best player na kuha ng $10. Yeah. Can you get
pumpkin.
me-
I had pumpkin soup.
Ako ang pumpkin soup. Ayun pala si Zach, water boy na siya. Oh. Hawak niya yung mga tumblers. Cute niya lang. Hihintay siya na may humingi ng tubig sa kanya. And ako nanonood ako ng Queen of Tears. Patapos na to, last episode na siya. And kumain pala ako nitong isa. Okay. Play na natin ulit. Ayun, basta si Zach.
Hot dog and a pork gravy roll.
Meron tayong pumpkin soup. Nice. Yeah, you're right, Animal.
Good.
What are you having, huh? Hot dog, same as you?
I said to Joe, you won't need a jacket on down there, mate.
He's got it all.
Yeah, he got it all. Si Joe naman yung ano,
Oh, who kicked one?
yung kaninang ginawa ni Jan, siya naman. Kasi si Kobe yung
Joy.
naglalaro.
Jackie, who's that?
Holly, hi! Si Sak may $20.
Do you win?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan. Mars. Bumili siyang Mars after nung hotdog. And may chips. And yung sukli ng $20 from Daddy. And may Coke siya dyan. What's this? Sour? Lollies? What's that? Where's Kuya? Do you know where's Kuya? Kuya TJ. Suot pala ni Jen yung kanyang Oakley na shoes. Suot pala ni Jen yung bago niyang sapatos, yung nabili natin sa Oakley. Ayan. Katabi niya si Willow.
Yeah.
What you bought, Zach? Thank you. Inaalok kami ni Zach. Oh, bumili siya ng dessert. Cookies. What's this one, Auntie Mo? That one. What do you think is that one?
Like a passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit slice.
Okay. Hinubad niya na yung kanyang jumper kasi takbo siya ng takbo. And meron siya, what's that? Strawberry? Si Auntie Mo pumunta sa kantin para kumuha ng hot chips with gravy. Dito na si Auntie
Got
Mel.
them to get them all because they're all up there.
What's that?
Did Sophie come back?
Na?
Yes, she did.
With Maddie. Thank you. Chips tayo.
Put it there.
Yeah, coconut one.
Go, Nate.
Ayan si Kuya, pumasok na ako dito kasi malamig, may chips si Kuya. Hi Kuya, thank you. Alright, thank you. Mga dala kong pagkain, hindi ko pa nagagalaw kasi di ba kumain ako ng chips ni Auntie Mel, tapos pumpkin soup din tayo. And yeah, I'm still alright. No? Tingnan yung ginawa kong setup dito, guys. Kasi yung init nakaharap sa akin kanina dyan. So nilagay ko yung yung jacket ko. Hindi pa tapos. And sila dyan, nandito. Tingnan niyo. Hi! So hot now, Kylo. Where's your jumper? Where's your Kathmandu? Yeah. Getting hotter now.
Yeah, at the first game at the Bay, it was bloody cold that day.
The first one.
At the Bay,
Yeah,
the first
yeah,
game
yeah.
was cold.
Ang ganda ng laban. And sila ay nagiging upset. Kasi ang close ng scores. 2 points na lang, maabutan na nila yung kalaban. Tapos, ang nangyari ay naka-goal ulit yung kalaban. So, 8 points na ang lamang. And last quarter na to. Isang init pa, o, diba? Magkikik tayo. Sana maka-goal. Yan lang yung kaya. Si Sak nandun siya sa kabila. Doon sa kabilang goal. Nag-water boy. Siya din, water boy din siya dito sa side. Goal! Yes! Naka-goal ulit tayo.
Another couple seconds for that. Another.
Ayan si Zach.
Front and center, front and center.
Go, Will! Oh! Oh!
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Talk
Oh!
to him, belly.
Oh my God! Shit. Oh.
Zup, zup, zup.
Go! Oh, oh. Go. Oh my God. Ang ganda panoorin ng mga ng older kasi. Ang dami. Oh! Shit. My God. As in mga nagkakasakitan. Oh, hindi nyo na makita.
Get up, Jacko. Take your time.
Ang close ng ng score. Ganda ng laban. Dito yung mga girls. Where's my baby girl? Oh, here she is. Hi, baby.
Get that, Tim.
You found 50 cents. 20 cents.
Go. Go. Use it.
Come on. Jump. Oh. Oh, naka-goal ulit tayo. Ang ganda. Si Sak takbo din ng takbo si Sak para mag-offer ng tubig. Oh, good job, Saki boy.
Bombay, dig deep!
Leading na tayong 4 points, guys. Kanina, behind tayo. Ng 2 goals ata. Ngayon, 4 points up tayo. 80-84. And si Max, first quarter, right?
Yep.
First quarter, na-hurt niya yung
Yeah, it was second quarter.
second quarter. Ano siya, ano yung paa niya. Oh, nakagol yung kabila. Oh my God. So, ano na naman, lose na naman tayong 2 points. Oh, ayun si Zach. Takbo lang ng takbo si Zach.
Bombay out of the guts! Another one back!
Diyan. Ay, yung mga kagrupo ni Zach, oh. Hindi makasama si Zach, may trabaho si Zach, eh. He can't walk. He's injured.
Where are you going?
Meron dito yung snake, humingi tayo kay Max. Ito yung maliit. Come on, come on. Ayan si Zach and Daddy. Pinainom ni dyan ng Sprite si Zach.
Yes, Zach.
Come on. Oh, God. Oh my God.
We'll like make all that room and kick it.
Magpapack up na sila kasi mukhang matatalo na tayo. Konti lang yung points. See ya. Tapos na, guys. Yes, see ya. See you next Saturday. Where are we playing? Home? That's good. Italo tayo by 8 points. Ang nanalo lang na grade is yung kila Zach. Hinihintay na lang namin si Waterboy, Saki Boy. Si Kuya nandito na. Ayan si Kuya. And Kobe. Talo din sila, Kobe. Ayan si Saki Boy. Going. Holly, come on! Give me this, Kuya, my jumper, please. See you, Joey and Kala and the family. Where are they going for dinner?
Dad, where's my lollies?
Oh, Polly ate them.
You did not.
How's your water
Dad, guess
boy?
what?
Oh.
How's being water boy?
I'm leading goal kicker.
Who?
It's 25
Is that your...
25. Keep it safe in your wallet.
May bayad yung pag water boy ni Zach, $25. That's a lot. I know you...
But it's
Done good
boring
though.
doing it.
Oh, well.
No,
At least you're watching the game.
At,
So.
yeah, it's boring doing it. Kasi lagi siyang, ano, yun nga, bibigay lang siya ng water. Can we, what you call that? Can you share it with me? No. Okay, thank you. You're not gonna share it to Mom.
What's time?
5, nearly 5.
So you got $35 in total. So because you have $10, yeah, gift voucher from Tide. We can eat there, Zach, with your $25. You're gonna treat Mommy. No,
I'm not using
25.
this.
Oh, you're not using that. Are you saving that? Nag-save na yan ng pera eh.
If I do
Masinop siya
that-
sa pera, si Zach.
If I play like I played,
Yeah.
if I do that,
And yung laro ni Kuya, yung lahat ng mark niya, namamark niya yung ball, galing kay Zach kasi pinapasa sa kanya ni
all my
Zach.
marks are in the same spot, Dad.
Chestnut. Nice one, chestnut.
Ang daming, ano, na mark ni Kuya. Alright, Zach, can you say thank you to Zach for passing the ball?
No, good
To you?
enough, Zach. Should have kicked it to me a bit quicker.
Wow.
Yeah, I got it out. Oh, and then Blake tried passing to me, came up his side of the boot.
You're a best player too, right, Zach? With $10 voucher for, ano, sa Tide. What? How about you, Kuya? Why you didn't get $10?
No, that was an achievement.
Achievement award. Ah, yung $10 voucher pala. $10, ano? Yung $10 voucher is for achievement. Tapos si Kuya yung first, what you call that? First best player today. And Zach.
Oh no, and
Who else the best player, Kuya, aside you? Si Taj. Kasi may tatlong kinuhang best player, pero si Kuya yung first best player. guys. And si Jan, naglagay ng wood kasi muntik ng
It's still cranking.
stove. Okay.
Plenty there.
Alright. Akala namin namatay na yung
Well,
fire
still
natin.
hot in.
And si Sak, nilagay niya na yung
Don't know why
bayad sa kanyang $25.
Drop the sitter right in front of God. Can't believe that, Zach.
The sun! I'm not.
Zach, it was in your hands and you dropped it.
Because it's the sun! It's black, the bowl.
Yeah, well.
And magpipizza lang kami guys kasi nung oras na 5:30 na hindi na tayo makakapagluto. Si Kuya naliligo na.
You gonna kill it?
Ah, you stink, Sak.
I try hard.
Yeah, you done well. $25, Jack.
25 ba?
10.35 for the
That was
day.
making
Yeah.
me fit, Dad.
That's right.
$35 altogether.
What piece do you want, Holly?
Ito yung sa Tide, guys. Ayan, binigay na sa akin ni Sak. Is this mine? Sponsorship.
You can have it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, may pang hot chocolate tayo.
You just not bothered anymore.
Thank you.
Telling 9 News, Lily will be dearly missed by so many people, and that is exploring how best to honour her.
Wala, may nawawala. Is she missing?
In the coming months, there's also
Wala, may missing. Ang gandang bata. Hindi naman bata, dalag. Ano na?
people unlucky enough
Mga nasa 20s or 30s.
to your wife. There's a hole in the world.
Wala pa si John. And nagbisa ako guys kasi mainit dito sa loob ng bahay dahil sa ating firewood. And nakaligo na lahat. Nakaligo na siya. And ito yung dinner natin. Yung pusit. Iyo daw sabi ni Holly.
Gross. You know what I thought it was? Black food.
Black food. It is black food.
Yeah, but it's black octopus, isn't it?
No.
Squid.
Squid.
There is black octopus.
No, it's squid. Wala pa si Johnny Boy. Muna siguro akong kumain. Yes, I think so. Pinapanood nila yung mga kuha ko dun sa phone.
Did you get one because Zach kicked it because Korea took it?
Yes, I did. I think. Okay, kain muna ako, guys. And magtimpla akong berry glow. Ah! Diyan na si Johnny Boy. Open it, Baba. Bags, close. Ayan. No?
Filming today.
Not good, filming. Hindi ko daw nakuha ng mabuti. Wait, turn that a little bit, yeah.
What's that, mate?
What's this, son?
It's called noodles, mate.
I know, what did you get aside from pizza? Huh? Oh, I'm just about to make you that tomorrow.
We're having things.
Tomorrow pala hindi ako magluluto kasi may golf si Johnny Boy, tsaka si Kuya, so doon kami sa golf course kakain. Plano ko mag-schnitzel ako bukas kasi meron dyan na pang schnitzel yung nagpakatay siya ng kalabaw ng cow. Hoy, turn on the TV. Yeah. Oh, yung sarap din nito. Parang gusto ko rin siya.
That's what it looks like.
What's this one?
That's Supreme.
Supreme.
And
And
just take those little black things off. But you don't,
olive. I like that olive. It's nice. Sakari will like that
that one
one.
hasn't got much on it.
Si Holly kasi ayaw niya may... It's not mushroom. It's alright.
Get that one, Bubba.
Ayaw niyang may mushroom tsaka may olives. Give me the mushroom. All you have to do is take it out.
Nothing
Okay,
wrong with it,
come
Holly.
on. Tara sa kain. Is this yours, ah? Which one?
Well, you got palmy.
No. I got pizza.
I didn't know we could
Mama?
get that.
You won't get that.
Huh?
You won't get that.
Mag-ano
Hey,
ko.
Mum! I got this good mark and look.
What? I saw me.
Are you gonna eat it all? Look! Dad, were you gonna eat it all? Dad, look at this. Dad, look at this. Where am I?
But I saw me. You mark it.
Oh yeah, here we go, trying to get me talk.
Yeah, and I was saying hurry up because no one was in the square. If I had it bounced and rolled, no one would have been there.
You didn't go that way
Yeah, but
anyway.
I'm telling you, just kick it.
You weren't gonna get
Yeah,
that.
what was he thinking?
You even go even further. Wow. When you talk it. Who built that?
Okay, kain mo na kayo, guys.
Did I fire back enough or did I need to go back
Oh,
further?
that's all right.
See?
See?
That's so good.
So good.
Here we go, get another mark from me.
Mas gusto ko yung rice.
No, there's not. And then Zach dropped one.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That good mark.
The one that
Good
he
luck.
should have marked. Can I say?
Let's see where the sun is.
There's me. Zoom out a bit, you won't get it. Zoom out fully. There. Ready? Can I say? Right, you should have marked like that. No. Come here. No. Come here.
You can't say it well.
Oh
So. Showing to that.
my god. See, it's. Is that ink?
Yeah.
Ew. Is that squid?
Try. You won't say ow. Ew.
Does it stain on you?
Try. You will like it, the taste of. I promise you. You can always spit it out. Just try, Sak.
No.
Just try.
I've tried it before, I didn't like it. That one's mom.
you haven't. Sarap. You will love it.
It will stain on you.
Yeah. It's not. Just try. You will like it from mommy. Just a little. You can spit it out on my plate. Promise.
On all over
Yeah,
your food?
yeah.
No, I was just joking.
Just try,
Mum,
please.
no.
Alright,
I want.
What's
we
this?
went there.
Huh?
What happened?
That's where we went for tea.
Ah,
Look,
yeah.
look.
Yeah.
That's us, yep. We'll palm that back.
Tapos na si Jan.
Have you had a shower yet, Jack? Arrived?
Yeah, all of them had. Ayan yung natirang pizza and yan yung ilalagay niya sa basurahan. Ako busog na din ako. Guys, manunod sila ng footy. Team ni Kuya tsaka ni Saka maglalaro. So maganda tong game. Time is 7:39 na guys. So i-end ko na yung vlog. Okay, we're gonna close the vlog now. Close the vlog. Thank you. Good night, guys. Manunod na to. Manunod na. Ako mag-edit ako.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.